Can we prevent vertigo? I'm Janet D, the PT. As a licensed physical therapist with a vestibular training, the answer is no. But we can reduce our risk of vertigo by doing a couple of things for our health, okay? Staying hydrated, number one. Okay, I tend to see a lot of clients in the wintertime or in the hottest parts of summer, and that's when we're usually dehydrated. Remember, not all drinks are good for us. Things with caffeine, such as tea, coffee, or alcohol, actually dehydrate us. So those are things to be aware of, right? Making sure that you have full range of motion at your neck, okay? That's a great start to keep vertigo at bay. Now, remember, when we check the side part of our neck, we want to make sure we don't raise our shoulder to our ear, okay? You want to be able to bring your ear towards your shoulder. Okay, other things that can minimize our chance of vertigo include managing our stress and anxiety. Okay, those are those things where if we can keep things in check, keep our inflammation down in our system, where our body is less likely to freak out. Okay, don't forget to check for iron, vitamin B12, or vitamin D deficiencies, okay? Those are those things that you can ask your doctor through a blood test, check and see what your levels are at and how you can supplement it with vitamins. But having those numbers be in check actually reduces your risk of having vertigo. Okay, oh, here's a great one. If you've ever had shingles in your head or your neck near your ear, that's something to be aware of, because sometimes the shingles can set up the vertigo. Okay, diabetes, stroke, migraines. I tend to see a lot of clients who fall, hit their head, and then they have vertigo. Okay, that's one of my first things that I check anytime somebody has fallen, is to check and see if vertigo has occurred. But the answer to the question is, can you prevent vertigo? And the answer is no. But we can take care of our health to reduce our chances. But if you get stuck, there's always Janet D, the PT. If you like this video, go ahead and press like, share, subscribe, tell your friends and neighbors. Janet D, the PT.